guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a high curly bun. So let's start with the items that you'll need. First, I'm using the Eco Styling Gel along with the Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum, and then I use two different brushes, a medium and a soft brush, also a toothbrush and two rubber bands and water. So let's get started. So first I start by spraying my hair, and I'm making sure that I only focus on the roots. Today I'm going to be showing you guys two different types of bun that I like to do. The first bun I'm showing you here is going to be more of a messy bun. So what I like to do is find two curls from the front of my hair to leave out first. Once I found those two perfect curls, what I like to do next is use my fingers to lightly comb back my hair. Now I don't want to use a brush because that'll give me more of a sleek look, and since we're going for messy, this is what I like to do to achieve the perfect messy look. Next, I go ahead and I make sure that I'm keeping my ponytail at the very tip of my head to make sure that it stays high. So I grab my rubber band and wrap it around 3 times to make sure that it's tight but not too tight. Next, I grab my ponytail and I lightly start to wrap my hair around to form the bun. Now I want to do this lightly because it's more of a messy curly bun and you want the curls to actually show. Now that I formed my bun, I grab another rubber band and I wrap it around 2 times to secure the bun. Once that's done, I go ahead and I start to lightly tug at the bun to give it more of a fuller look. And if you're anything like me, you go in a second time to secure your bun, and I like to use 4 bobby pins and I place those around my bun. Lastly, once my bun is complete, I'm going to just go ahead and lay down those edges that you see sticking up using my Eco Styling Gel. And I like to only use a little bit. As you can see on the toothbrush, I don't go too crazy. Now, like I said before, since this is more of a messy bun, I'm not going to go in and do anything too fancy with my edges. All I'm doing is just basically taking the toothbrush and brushing them back. So only thing I'm going to do is my sideburns, like I always do whenever I'm wearing my hair in a ponytail or a bun. And here you have it, guys. Cherish Sabrina's messy bun tutorial. Now it doesn't look like, too messy because I don't want to be out looking crazy, but it doesn't have that sleek look to it. And as you guys can see, the bun looks full and the curls look perfect. And these are little gold hair accessories. They can be found at a Walmart, beauty supply, or even Target. And what I like to do with these is place them in my buns. So it gives more of a boring bun a more playful look. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just sporadically placing them on top of my bun to add a little bit more cuteness to it. And here is the final look of the messy curly bun. This looks so cute. Like, I love it with the gold hair accessories. It really adds a different touch to the bun. It makes it way more playful, way cuter. Honestly, I think I'm gonna add this to my second bun, and just to give it more of a cuter look. As I get into my next bun, I'm going to start by spraying my hair once again. And this time around, this bun is going to be a sleek, high curly bun. So I'm going to start by brushing my hair back using my red medium brush. And the reason I go in with the medium brush first is because the bristles aren't too hard and they're not too soft. So it gives me a perfect sleek look. Next, I go over my hair with a Denman brush to get rid of any lumps that I may have. Now you can use a Denman brush, you can use a brush, or you can use a comb. Whatever works best for you is always great. And as you guys can see here, I'm just repeating the same steps as I did before, wrapping my ponytail around 3 times, making sure that it's not too tight but tight enough. Once my hair is in a ponytail, I grab my softer brush and I use this brush to go over my hair once more, and I also like to use it to even out the sides of my hair so that you're not really seeing my scalp. Now I tried my best to get rid of those scalp areas today, but it just was not working out, so I did what I could do. Now, since this is a sleek bun, I like to grab a little bit more gel and I place it around the edges of my hair, and this time I'm actually going to be doing something a little extra with my baby hairs, so I'm just basically prepping them with the gel. Once I grab my toothbrush, I just lightly feather out my baby hairs so I can get ready to swoop them. Now this is the only time you will see me swooping my baby hairs is when I have like a high bun or a high ponytail, and I'm gonna go ahead and just repeat the same step to the other side of my hair as well. And as you guys can see here, I am just separating my curls to help get rid of those clumps. Now I do this to also help my ponytail and my bun look a little bit more fuller, because I want it to look more full since it's going to be a curly bun. So this is what I do to help achieve that look. Once I've got the fullness that I want my hair to be at, I go ahead and start to form my bun. Now I'm going to start to secure it as well, doing the same steps that I did before with the messy bun, using the rubber band and the 4 bobby pins. And lastly, as you can see, I'm going in with my toothbrush to do some final touch-ups to my hair. And you can also see that I'm still trying my best to get rid of those areas where you can see my scalp, and it just wasn't really working out today, so I just gave up. But I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed, so I'll see you guys when I get back. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm ready to get my day started. Here's the final look of my sleek high curly bun. I love doing a curly bun whenever I just want to get my hair out of my face. It's definitely my go-to hairstyle. And with that being said, I hope you all love this video and I made it simple enough for you guys to try out as well. Don't forget to like, comment below any questions and videos you guys would like to see, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.